In this video, I will show you how to hide, unhide entire worksheet in Microsoft Excel. So guys, we can see we have some worksheet on this Excel workbook. So to hide any worksheet, select it, then View tab and click on Hide. So entire workbook will be hidden, and just you want to hide any particular worksheet. So right click on it, and here is the option Hide. So once you click on it, so entire workbook will be hidden, and once you click here on sheet, then click on hide, so that particular worksheet will be hidden like this. To unhide, right click on it and click here unhide. Here you will see a list of hidden worksheet. You can select any, then click on OK. So thanks for watching.